This video is about the uses of ultrasound. Ultrasound is a longitudinal sound wave that has a higher frequency and pitch than audible sound waves. Humans can hear frequencies between 20 and 20,000 Hz. Anything above that is considered ultrasound, and anything below that is considered infrasound. Ultrasound is used to generate images inside objects when we cannot see them using visible light. Examples include an unborn baby and detecting cracks in a surface. Ultrasound is used to determine the location of cracks in steel beams. The ultrasound takes 0.00003 seconds between emission and detection by the transducer. The speed of sound through steel is 6,000 meters per second. For part A, describe how the depth of cracks in the steel are determined, for 4 marks. The transducer emits and detects the ultrasound signal. So the ultrasound is emitted from the transducer for 1 mark. It is reflected by boundaries between different densities of material for 1 mark. Cracks are gaps of air in the steel, so they will reflect the sound back before the areas around it. Hence, the signals arriving from the crack will be detected earlier than the surrounding signals. The signals are detected by the transducer for 1 mark. The time is measured, the speed of the sound in steel is known, so the depth of the crack can be calculated for 1 mark. For part B, calculate the depth of the crack for 2 marks. Recall and rearrange the equation. Speed is equal to distance divided by time, so distance is equal to speed times time for 1 mark. Substitute and calculate the total distance. The total distance is equal to 6,000 times 0.00003, which is equal to 0.18 meters for 1 mark. Determine the distance to the crack. The distance to the crack is equal to half the total distance. Distance is equal to a half times 0.18, which is equal to 0.09 meters for 1 mark. This question is about the properties of seismic waves produced during an earthquake. Earthquakes produce 2 types of waves, P waves and S waves. Compare the properties of these 2 waves for 2 marks. P waves cause a back and forth motion during an earthquake. S waves cause the ground to move sideways and shake up and down. Any 2 points from. P waves are longitudinal, whereas S waves are transverse for 1 mark. P waves are faster than S waves, or S waves are slower than P waves for 1 mark. P waves can travel through solids and liquids, whereas S waves are unable to travel through liquids for 1 mark. P waves refract as they pass through the different layers of the Earth, but S waves are unable to travel through the Earth's molten outer core for 1 mark. Remember, for a compare question, a comparison is needed to obtain the mark. You cannot just state facts. You can do this by using comparative language. In summary, the frequency range for human hearing is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Ultrasound is used to generate images. Examples include unborn babies and cracks in a surface or object such as steel or concrete. Ultrasound is emitted and detected by a transducer. Earthquakes generate both S and P waves. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.